Today I'm repairing a plastic outboard motor gas tank. And yeah, if you're wondering, a bear chewed my gas tank and I've repaired a number of holes already. If you're spend a lot of time out in the bush, you know what I mean. If you leave gas cans anywhere, there's something about gas. It's like, I don't know, they just love gasoline. So bears will sink their teeth into it, and you'll come back and, unless it's well protected, find that you have no gas and your tank is not going to hold gas. So when I was out there, luckily I had a bunch of just sheet metal screws, and I had a tube of RTV silicone with me. So I just put a dab of silicone, put the screws in the holes to manage to get by. I didn't have enough for the top here, but there was a couple actually right on the bottom. You can see them there. So I made do with what I had and managed to be able to use the boat while I was out there. But I brought it home with me to repair it. So plastic is very easy to repair depending on the type of plastic. And what I do is I have a fairly powerful 80-watt soldering iron. This is a big iron. In any case, it lends itself really well to welding or repairing plastic. So what I basically do is you have to have enough plastic. It has to be thick enough. If you're really lucky, you'll find a place, if you're short of plastic, that you can trim some off and use it to add to what you're fixing. But this tank is thick enough, it's not a problem. So I basically just kind of sink the iron in on one side of the hole. It melts pretty quick, and then I drag it across like so. And you can see almost that one pass has almost filled it, but I'll do it from all sides. And then I'll crisscross it. And then I'll make sure that the center melted well and healed well, and just where the actual hole was, kind of just blend it in good. Make sure that it actually did cover the hole. And it's as simple as that. So I'll just do one more here quick. Again, if you're spending time in the outdoors, you've had lots of fun with bears. They are very destructive, and they love to, for again, whatever reason, eat our gas or get into it. And I can't believe that they do, but they just love it. So there we go. That one's fixed. So it does a pretty good job. And if you haven't done this before for plastic, great way to do it. And again, some things, depending if it's not as thick or holes are larger, sometimes when you look around an item, in this case I could probably take this off and trim some of the plastic off the actual neck of the filler. So you can see that filler, there's quite a height there. I could cut it, I could take a saw or a knife and I could trim some of that plastic off if I needed it to fill those holes, to melt it so it's the same plastic. But in any case, hope that helps somebody. But a good powerful soldering iron. Again, this one is 80 watts. Some people use a solder gun. I like the iron because it's light and the tip gets extremely hot on this one. So anyway, bear eat your gas tank. Now you know how to fix it.